Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Finding derivatives of exponential functions. Here we're going to look at the generic parent function of any exponential, y equals a to the x, where a is the base. Its derivative is going to be itself a to the x, but we have to multiply by the natural log of the base a. For example, y equals 3 to the x would have a derivative of 3 to the x times the natural log of 3. As always, we have to be careful how the chain rule interplays here. So if we had a to any function u, its derivative is going to be itself a to the u times the natural log of a, but then finish the chain rule by multiplying by the derivative of u. For example, if we had 5 to the 2x plus 1, its derivative would be itself 5 to the 2x plus 1 multiplied by the natural log of 5, and then finish it off with the derivative of 2x plus 1, which is just going to be 2.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.